What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, and today we're finally on the dash harness for my Factory 535 hot rod truck. So, this is kind of the mess that I get to deal with. It's actually not that bad, but going from these connectors and into the old style gauges to one digital display with one little connector that plugs into here. So I need to wire all of this of what needs to go where onto here, which means I get to look at like 3 different electrical schematics and put them all together. Yay. So you guys gonna see me do a little bit of it, but I don't know if you guys really enjoy watching wiring, but you're gonna watch it anyways because you love me. Welcome back, guys. Sorry about last week. I ran out of time. I didn't have time to finish doing the wiring, so I wasn't able to upload a video. You guys kind of did see the little short video I did, if you guys watched that, of the new carbon fiber intake that I made. So I'm pretty pumped about that. But yeah, so we're gonna get back to wiring because I really want to get this wiring done, and I really want to see what that new digital display looks like. So stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So, sorry the camera battery died, but what I finished, the finished work, I don't know if you guys remember my old dash harness and the mess of wires it was. This is a lot cleaner. So, this run right here is the high beam. These wires for the high beams and the turn signal indicators. This is all of the sensors, power to the unit, so oil pressure, fuel level, water temp, speedometer input, and tach input. So my black wire is my speedometer input, and my red wire is my tach input. This goes to the oil pressure sensor that I have to adapt to the engine. This is all that connects into the Ron Francis harness, and goes to my high beam switch. So my dash harness, way neater, way cleaner, and it's going to be very simple. And the way I'm going to have it is when I remove the dash, I literally just going to have to unplug this, and this is the programming switch, so I'm going to have to figure out a way to disconnect this as well. So I'll probably just do some riv nuts for that. But yeah, very, very simple and clean. Like, I'm loving the way this came out. So the next step is to plug it in, and hopefully I'm not gonna do the oil pressure sensor yet, but hopefully it turns on, and we'll see how it goes from there. All right, stay tuned. I'm pretty stoked. I'm sure you guys saw. So when we put it on, gauge comes to life. So got everything. Sorry for the fuel pump, but see the left turn signal, right turn signal, everything's wired through this. I can't turn on the headlights at the moment because the switch isn't connected, but yeah, I'm getting indication. I need to check once it's running if everything is reading correctly. I didn't use their supplied water temp sensor, so I'm kind of curious on. I still have just the LS1 that I wired it using the power and ground how it's supposed to. So we'll see. Yeah, so the next I gotta do is I gotta change out the oil temp sensor, because I know that's not going to work because it's a completely different company. And it's a little late right now, so I can't turn on the car, but I'm thinking I'm gonna work on changing out the oil temp sensor for one of their fittings and sensor, running the wire to there, figuring out how that's gonna be routed, and also mount this where it belongs. So what I'm thinking for mounting is I'm gonna have it mounted under this piece, like, alrighty, come on Gary, like this. So mount it under here, wires get tucked nicely, and I can even zip tie this wire back there, make it very nice to where it's nice and tucked. And I'm gonna riv nut it so I can take it down and put it back up as necessary. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. So stay tuned and I'll figure out what I'm gonna work on next. Welcome back, guys. So I finally got the box mounted. Hold on, let me turn on some light. So that's how that's gonna sit. nice and out the way. All I need to do is find a way to tuck these wires. Other than that, it's good. So all that's left is connect the oil sensor and get a new center metal part for the dashboard. So right here, I'm just gonna get another piece of metal and cut out the for the dimensions for the digital display so it sits in there. That's it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. I'm gonna cut this into 2 parts just because it's taken a lot longer than I expected, and the wiring took quite a while to go through. But yeah, thank you guys. I really do appreciate you guys. You guys have really been there and keep me motivated. So thank you. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing. Hit that like button, comment down below, let me know. Have a good one. Peace.